Welcome, in this video we are going to learn Automator. It's an information gathering tool in Linux. Automator is a URL, IP address and MD5 hash OSINT tool aimed at making the analysis process easier for intrusion analysts. Given a target or a file full of targets, Automator will return relevant results from sources like the following: ipvoid.com, robtext.com, fortiguard.com, unshorten.me, urlvoid.com, labs.alienvault.com, threatexpert, vxvault, and virustotal. Let's open up terminal, type Automator space -h, the IP and URL analysis tool. Here you can see that basic syntax: automator.py, -h-o output, -w web, -c csv, -d delay, -s source, -p, -proxy, -a user agent, target. IP URL and hash passive analysis tool. Positional arguments: target list, one IP address, URL or hash to query or pass the file name of a file containing IP address info, URL or hash to query each separated by a new line. Let's see optional arguments. -h, that is help, shows this help message, and exit. -o output file, this option will output the result to a file, and so on. Let's run Automator against a target IP, hash, URL or file. Simply type Automator space google.com. Here you can see that Google IP address 216.58.209.238, country United States. It will analyze on different directories on DNS malicious URLs. You can check on any websites. Let's try it using MD5 encryption data. Here you can see that it results for 44A6A and so on. It will detect with different malwares. So that's it in this video on Automator. Thank you for watching this video.